So carbon footprint of aluminum is a wide spectrum. So it's not just the recycled content which contributes towards the carbon footprint of that aluminum, but also where the rest of the primary aluminum comes from. So you may have 50% recycled aluminum content billet and 50% of the primary coming from a hydroelectric source versus a coal-fired source. They will have vastly different carbon footprint, even though they may be exact same alloy and their mechanical thermal properties are exactly same. But from carbon footprint point of view, they are vastly different. So there are no industry standard to define low carbon aluminum at this point. For primary aluminum production, typically aluminum produced with a clean energy source or hydroelectric energy sourced smelters are considered low carbon aluminum. So they would be around 4 to 5 ton of carbon per ton of aluminum. When we look at it for Kawneer, we want to have recycled content as well as primary aluminum from low carbon sources. So if you have a 70% recycled content aluminum and your remaining 30% primary aluminum is coming from a coal-fired power plant smelter, your overall carbon footprint would be somewhere close to 7 to 8 ton of carbon per ton of aluminum. While you look at even 50% recycled content, but your remaining 50% is coming from a hydroelectric source, you are looking at less than 3 ton of carbon per ton of aluminum. So it's not just the percentage recycled content, but also the source of your prime aluminum, and they both together complete the picture of the carbon footprint of aluminum. For the production of primary aluminum, it's highly dependent upon the source of electricity to determine their emission factors or the carbon footprint. Recycled aluminum uses 95% less energy than primary aluminum production. For producing recycled aluminum, it is using a lot less energy, hence a lot less emission associated with it. You can download one-pager from our website which guides you on the language around the low carbon aluminum billet to add into the project specification.